Congruence of angles. Look at the four angles shown in the animation. Trace the angle ABC and place it over the angle PQR. Place B on angle Q and the ray AB along PQ. Clearly, the angle ABC exactly fits the angle PQR. So we say that angle ABC is congruent to angle PQR. Similarly, we say that angle LMN is congruent to angle ABC. You may note that the ray MN appears to be longer than the ray BC. One might think that angle LMN is greater than angle ABC, but it is not true. Rays only indicate the direction and not length. So we have angle ABC, angle PQR and angle LMN congruent to each other. Note that all the three angles are of same measure, that is 50 degrees. Hence, we say that if two angles have the same measure, they are congruent. Also, if two angles are congruent, their measures are same. As the congruence of angles depend on the measure of angles, so we say that two angles are congruent if they are equal. The angle XYZ is not congruent to the angles ABC, PQR and LMN, as its measure is not same as the measure of the given angles.